Hello everyone, my name is Ernest, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the index table engine with the Ajax Search Pro plugin. So I have set up a server with WooCommerce and lots of products installed, although it is not mandatory. This is just for demonstration purposes. The plugin will work with any custom post type, including posts, pages, products, portfolio items, whatever you have. If you look at the products page, there's about 7,850 products, so this is quite large, I would say. Alright, let's get started. Click on the index table submenu under the Ajax Search Pro menu. You should see the screen. So let's go through these general options one by one. We definitely want to index the titles, the content, and the excerpt, at least in this case. Post types to index. Well, posts and pages, but we also want products, so I'm going to have to search within this box and drag it here. The order doesn't really matter in this case, so this is fine. I think I also want to index post tags and post categories, and also I would like to index the product categories and product tags as well. So I'm going to drag here those two as well. I don't think I want to index permalinks, so that's fine. Index custom fields. Well, this is an interesting option, because if you have any custom fields, you can just type in here and the plugin will try to find them. One interesting custom field is the product SKU, so let's type that in, SKU, and let's drag it here. So now the product SKUs within WooCommerce will be indexed as well. Post states to index, we only want to publish posts in this case. Post author name and bio description, we don't want those right now. So I think we should save the options. Right? After saving, the plugin should inform us that we should create a new index because the options have changed. So let's do that right now. There's a confirmation message, click OK, and it starts. In my case, this might take a little bit longer because I have a lot of items, so I will just cut through this. Alright, it finally finished. Over 800,000 keywords were found. So now let's see if it works. Let's go back to the Ajax Search Pro menu. And if you don't have a search instance, just create one. I will do it right now. I'll just type in test, add. Alright, let's go to the options. And right on the first screen that will load up, let's choose the index table engine and also select the product custom post type. And let's save this. Alright, so let's check if it's working. Let's go back to the Ajax Search Pro menu, and I will change the search engines for the default theme search and the WooCommerce search for this new test we have. Let's go to the front end, refresh, and there we have our search engine. I know there are products with the word water in them, so let's try that. And yeah, it does seem to be working. Alright, we also added the product SKUs, and I think there's only one product with an SKU, so let's just test that as well. I will type this SKU into the box, or rather paste it. And yes, that's the same product, as you can see, strawberry water. So it does appear that all the fields were indexed. Alright, this seems to be working as expected. Let's try one more thing. What if you want another search instance, but that one only to search posts? So let's create one, name it posts. There we have it. Let's open the configuration, and I'm going to choose the index table engine as the default engine on this as well, but I'm only going to allow posts as a result. And I'm also going to change the theme so that we can tell them apart, because by default this looks exactly the same as the other one. Okay, now let's save this search. Let's go back to the Ajax Search Pro menu. I'm going to replace the default search with the post search. And if I reload the front end, I should be able to see that here. Yep, it's definitely not the same as before. Now, let's try searching water again, and the product should not appear as a result. There, we got a completely different result, and we can check if the water keyword is present somewhere. Yes, there it is. So this looks like it's working as expected. Well guys, I hope this video was helpful. For more information you can check the links in the description below. For quick questions, leave a comment. For more specific questions or support, you can contact us via the links below. I wish you a nice day. Bye.